Hey guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel, here at Wyong for Wyong Vlog Part 2 as requested by Hungry Bone Gaming and Jimmy Lee. I'm just standing on platform number 3 at the moment. The front 4 cars of this V-set is V50 with a New South Wales train link livery. V50 being the front 4 cars, rear 4 cars being V18. Now departing platform 3 here at Wyong. V18 has a DCT car in it, DCT 9044. Here we've got a V-set V1 pulling into platform 2. V1 has New South Wales train link livery. It was the first set to enter service with the New South Wales train link livery on the 1st of July 2013, along with V16. It actually would be quite interesting if the rear half of this V-set was V16. Sydney Trains and New South Wales train link are almost a year old, coming 1st of July. Give me a second, yes I know, shaky camera. V8. V1, V8 are departing platform 2, Sydney Terminal service. Here we've got an Oscar approaching platform 3, Newcastle service. The set is H19. Okay, it's going to stop up there, 4-car marker. Here we've got H19 departing platform 3, Newcastle service. H11 arriving into platform 1, Sydney Terminal service. Correction, platform 2. C509, 507 and 505. I wasn't going to film the whole freight, but seeing it was going really fast, I knew it wouldn't take too long to pass. V44 arriving into platform 3. Yes, 3, not 1.
The train on platform
V44 departing platform 3, Newcastle service. The rear 2 cars are DK series. Trainlink Explorer arriving into platform 3. Moree service. Moree Explorer departing platform 3. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and favourite the video if you like. Thanks so much for watching. See you all in the next vlog. Bye for now.